So today we took out the Shimano Expride 7'2" medium heavy and got it paired up with the Shimano Calcutta Conquest 31 HG. So it's the shallow edition. Let's see how we did. Man, super nice action. Super light. I think this will be my favorite rod. Man, paired up with the Conquest Shallow Edition this might be the best combo of all time. Rod is super sensitive. Almost feels like a heavy, but light like a medium heavy. This is perfect. Love the look of it. There we go. I'm stuck in the rocks. Dang. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. That was all right. Not as big as I might have thought. Cut him on the gulp jerk shad. Look at that. Nice little guy. First fish of the day. Pretty decent. Up. Already. Yeah. Look at that, I didn't even move the bait. Whoa. So again, on the jerk shad, the gulp jerk shad. I just can't seem to get away from using these things. Yeah. Hey, it's pretty good. It's not bad. Ow. Alrighty. Alright, live free. Small little guy. Real small. Look at that little munchkin. Little guy. Yep. It's pretty good. Shoot. So there's a bird caught in some line. Come on, buddy. I got you. I got you. No. I got you. 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 Don't worry. Oh, man. So we had a fantastic day out on the jetty, out there for a couple of hours, caught about 4 spotties, saved a bird at the end of the day, was caught up in some fishing line. So it's a great reason not to leave your trash out where animals can get caught into it, because a nice cute bird, friendly cute bird minding his own business, will get caught in it, and he'll be stuck there forever until he dies. So we cut him loose, and he is free to live happily ever after. The Shimano Expride held up really well today. Handled the fish well. Super light, super sensitive. Feels great in the hand. Probably my favorite rod that I will have for maybe a while. Probably not gonna buy another one for a while. So yeah, super happy with this thing. I think that this will be the first full video on YouTube, so if you could subscribe and like some of the videos, that would be nice. And I'll see you on the next ones.